Hi dear friends, are you ready for some cooking? We are going to make a traditional Slovenian Sunday meal. First food we're going to make is a beef soup. For beef soup we're going to need some good quality meat, celery, tomatoes, garlic, onion, carrots and parsley. And also some salt and pepper. First we're going to wash our hands. Then we clean the meat and put it in a pan. Then we have to clean and prepare the vegetables.
I will teach you a Slovenian words for ingredients. Govedina, peteršilj, paradižnik, čebula, česen, korenček, zelena. Sol, poper.
Nič je bilo ne. Zase se bom prezvala.
Hvala Bogu, da ste. Kaj res kuhne ne obvlada.
I kuharca mreza ono.
Jaz ne znam
Ti?
tega.
Je pa ok, no. Ti si ženska.
Kaj so še snimate?
Omiti to, a ne.
Jaz pa ne znam tega.
Kako bi smažil že žložamo, pa gledaj ga. Viš žložamo. We pour water on the meat. We put all the vegetables into cold water. We put it on the stove and we turn out. We cook it for about 2 hours. We also add some salt and pepper. We take out the chicken and wash it. While the soup is cooking, we prepare the chicken. We dry the chicken and we cut it in pieces. Sedaj ne bo pojedel. Piši, ni pa da piši bumper, pa ve, ide 1, 2, 3, pa piši bumper. Ja.
We need flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Then we mix the eggs. We remove the skin of the chicken. We salt the meat and be careful not to salt it too much. We put the meat into a flour
eggs. And breadcrumbs.
We wash the potatoes. We cook the potatoes for about 40 minutes.
Am ga dam zdaj tu gor? To je težko.
We pour some oil into the pan. We put the meat into the hot oil. Be careful not to burn yourself.
Now we're going to prepare a salad. First we have to wash it.
Zakširno.
Salad is salata. We peel and slice it the garlic. Add some beans. Some salt. Some pumpkin oil. And some vinegar. We stir gently. Salad is ready. Česen, sol, fižol, bučno olje, kis.
For dumplings we need wheat, salt and some eggs, and we mix it all together.
Potatoes are cooked. We peel the potatoes. Tu te livres un peu.
Then we peel the onion and slice it. This is onion. Cebula. We heat the oil and add some onion. We slice the potatoes and add some soy.
The soup is cooked and we take the meat out. We're going to cook dumplings. First you must heat the soup.
Cook the dumplings for about 10 minutes. Yummy, yummy. We cut the meat. Yummy. The lunch is ready. Bon appetit. Dober tek. We can't wait to see your cooking. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Kaj zdaj boste začeli jesti ali ne?